my good friend Alan Saffron here
Okay.
at the Burger Kitchen in West Hollywood.
And it's got an egg on it?
It's got an egg, it's got some Swiss cheese, a couple of nice pieces of bacon, and a burger on the bottom. I'm waiting for the condiments.
That satisfies your eating pleasure.
Add a few French fries and you got it made. Got it made.
Are we doing some crazy Halloween fright bites, I see?
Yes, we are. We've got Frankenstein's Frank, which is a, Frankfurt, with some jalapenos and hot sauce and a hot jam, jalapeno jam.
With some,
and this is the death burger.
What is that?
The death burger. That's actually, we made it half size only because it's pretty hard to eat. It's normally a 16-ounce burger. We just made it half size for you.
It's going to kill you. Basically, it's going to kill you is what he's saying. You're so full when you're done. Happy and full. 1 pound burger. And it's got applewood bacon, and it's got it's got some grilled jalapenos, and it's really a cool burger with cheese. It's really nice. And then this is my personal favorite, which, believe it or not, is the last one we have. We had the Halloween special on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we are sold out. This is it. It's an octopus burger.
That's the last one? You're sold out?
That is the last one.
But there's octopus inside the burger.
Oh yeah. What we do is we do this like a crab cake of the body of the octopus, made like a crab cake, and then of course this is a garnish.
Wow. That is pretty amazing.
Would you like to try some octopus?
Definitely. Thank you very much. There we go.
We're turning this right around here. Turning this right around. Here we go. I got it. Here we go. Very good. There you go. Nicely done, sir.
Alright. I've never tasted octopus before, and it's pretty good. I have to say it's pretty good. Wow.
How are you doing? Well, now you'll have the octopus.
This isn't Fred the octopus, right?
Well, the tentacles will grab you as you go down your throat.
So, are we having a good weekend so far, Mr. Bell?
It's fabulous. I come here at the Burger Kitchen every time I come to West Hollywood. Best burger place in town.
And movie's doing well?
Movie's doing very well. We're 2 days in, and it's #1 nationwide.
There we go. That's all you need, right?
That's right.
Do a lot of people turn out on the Halloween weekend for the movies, or do they party?
But it's a tradition.
Yeah.
Everybody seems to think that Halloween and Saw are like that.
They are. Is this the last one I heard, or no?
That's what they say, and I got to take them at their word.
Yeah.
But stranger things have been known to happen.
There have been stranger things. All right. So if we wanted to change our studio to a 3D channel, if we wanted to take TMZ to 3D, what would we have to do different?
Well, everything moves a little slower in 3D, so as the technology is more complicated, I think you'd have a problem working in 3D there, my friend.
Yeah.
You got a nice little, that thing weighs about a pound if it weighs that.
I know, I'd have to carry like
3D, you'd have 2 elephants working with you.
2 elephants working with you. Exactly. Well, I mean, hopefully not anytime soon until they come out with something smaller, right?
I think TMZ is penetrating people's lives sufficiently in 2D. I don't think it has to go 3D to
Nobody
penetrate
needs
more.
3D, right?
That's right. That's right.
Well, enjoy your feast.
Thank you so much. We are enjoying it.
What are you dressing up as tonight? Anything?
No, the kids get dressed up and we just kind of walk around and enjoy watching their greed as they fill the bag with cheap candy.
Definitely, definitely. So you're going to go trick-or-treating tonight?
Sure, absolutely.
Are you going to scare anybody?
No, well, entirely possible.
Do you get to bring the costume home at all?
Which one?
The mask.
Oh, the mask?
Yeah.
No, I got my own mask. See, here it is. Right here. Here it is. Yeah.
Well, enjoy your wonderful feast.
Thank you.
I mean, taste that octopus burger for me.
Thanks so much. Yeah.
Have a great day.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
That's amazing.